Non-biodegradable plastic waste, an environmental and health menace which is assuming horrifying proportions. While our cities fast sink behind plastic heaps and our villages battle with sanitation problems, researchers have developed a technology to tame both problems in one go. Yes, the novel technology by CSIR NPL converts plastic waste into tiles which can then be used to construct smart toilets.
Bewildering and terrifying. According to a recent estimate, about 60 Indian cities produce over 15,342 tons of plastic waste per day, with about 6,000 tons remaining uncollected and littered across the nation. This amounts to a major environmental and health problem, both for human beings as well as animals who unknowingly ingest this plastic waste. Added to this is the issue of open defecation. It is again estimated that about 52.1% of the country's rural population still defecates in open, posing a major health and sanitation problem. Now, researchers at CSIR National Physical Laboratory have developed a novel technology to tackle this double problem in a single go. Yes, the technology is called recycling of plastic wastes into tiles for structure designing for societal usage. The project makes use of shredded waste plastic bags and bottles to create special plastic tiles with the help of fillers. The plastic tiles can then be used to design structures for societal usage like toilets or rooms.
We have developed this technology which will be beneficial to society, as these structures made up of these plastic tiles have great environmental stability. We have tested them from various conditions, acid test, base test, and then we have improved its flame retardancy also. These tiles have a great service life, like they can serve for like 25 to 30 years without any fault, no corrosion, no wear tear, and have environmental resistance as well. UV protection is also a main feature of these tiles. And we are also further improving this technology by adding more fillers into it and taking it ahead for anti-static applications.
Demonstrating the effectiveness of this technology, the team has created a prototype of a smart toilet using the tiles made of waste plastic. This waterless toilet, which can be built at a nominal cost, comes with a solar panel and luminescent inner door, which provides light at night, and a UV protection technology. According to experts, various tests have shown that the structure made of plastic tiles have great environmental stability and has a service life of 20 to 30 years. The technology is being transferred to the industries and could prove a game changer in managing pollution, both in terms of plastic and human wastes.